Hey, how's it going? So today's my first lab of this summer class, and it's about figuring out anions, cations, and ionic reactions. So I got my lab notebook here. I filled it all out, so we're ready to do the experiment. All right. So I'm gonna open up my 24 well holder here. So I got all these lined up for the first part of this experiment. We got sodium bromide, sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, sodium iodide, sodium sulfate, sodium sulfide. So I gotta cut these bad boys and then on to the next part. Okay, pretty sure I need to be wearing gloves for this part. But they didn't supply me gloves. I don't think I have any gloves. So, all right, so now I need to add 8 drops of sodium bromide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now 1 of sodium nitrate. I'm doing the first part. Oh, that's cool. So something formed here. Sodium bromide and silver nitrate. All right, now I need to add 2 drops of hydrochloric acid. Oh. Stand back.
Oh no.
2 drops. Here we go. 1, 2. All right. So now I gotta do the rest. Same thing, but for the rest of these.
Oh.
Let's see. So this is sodium carbonate.
I think you have to peel the top off, right?
1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I already cut them off.
Oh.
Here. Now I might just do all 8 in a row here since it's the same thing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Look at Daddy. He's watching this.
6, 7,
It's
8.
so big.
Look at this.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So now that those are there, we take 1 drop of silver nitrate and add it to each of these here. All right, look around. Nice. You're coming to see the magic, huh? Here, check this out. So I'm adding silver nitrate to these other chemical, or see, this is sodium iodide. And I'm gonna add 1 drop of silver nitrate to it, and it forms something. Yeah. Now each one forms something different. So for that one, whoa, that's cool. Yeah. All right, so we got an array of colors here, except for sodium sulfate. Maybe let's film it a little bit. But chloric, or 2 drops of hydrochloric acid.
I'm like in
on each of these. 2 drops.
Are you recording voice?
Yeah, I've done everything. Oh, interesting. All right, so I changed the color a little bit.
Oh, it smells.
We got an aroma.
Mmm.
Wow. It's maybe the. Oh yeah, that's some stank. We determined the sulfide. So the sodium sulfide mixed with what is this? Silver nitrate and hydrochloric acid smells like pretty bad rotten eggs. So don't do that. So now I have an unknown number 103. I have to do the same experiment with. So I'm gonna put that one at the top here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Very nice. Put 1 drop of sodium nitrate, or silver nitrate in there. Boom. Okay. And out of that, I'm gonna add 2 drops of hydrochloric acid. 2. Okay. I'm just looking for what's going on here with the reaction. Okay, now right there. Now here's another unknown, number 104. Gonna do the same thing. So as you can see, these 2 right here are the unknowns. This one has bubbles formed. None of the other ones had bubbles. This one maintained a straight like black, but nothing else did. So I'm not sure. All right, so that was the first part of the experiment. Now I have to input some data into this website that is like that's like what we have to do everything on now that everything's online, so all the procedures and stuff. So it just has some questions we have to answer before we move on to the next exercise. So I'm gonna do that real fast and then continue. There we go. All right, so I just kind of finished up typing all the questions here and just did the chemical equations for each of what it asked for. And don't mind this fan. When it smelled like rotten eggs, I had to get that shit out of there. So now I'm gonna do experiment 2. Sweet. All right. Gonna light this baby up.
All right.
So, oh, that was. All right. All right, it's lit. It's hard to see it, but all right. First one going in is potassium iodide.
Is it a powder?
Yes, it's solid. Right here. All right, we're going in.
Okay.
All right, calcium chloride coming up next. Oh, that's a bigger piece there. There we go. Ooh.
Whoa.
That was instant.
Yeah, but he's great.
Yeah, red it is. Lithium hydroxide. All right, you guys ready? Whoa.
What is that, purpley?
That's like a pink, purple, yeah.
Yeah.
You see that, Dad? All right. Damn.
Usually, black.
Next up is sodium chloride. Oh. Let's see if that was enough. I don't know.
No.
Maybe we'll put it on a different part. Oh. Ooh.
Like yellow, right?
Yeah, it's like an orange or a yellow orange.
Uh-huh.
That might have been it. Oh, there we go. There's some. Next one up.
Okay.
Copper nitrate. Cool blue color going in. Whoa.
Ooh,
Like a green.
green.
That's cool. You see it bubbling on there too?
Yeah.
Wow. Don't breathe it in.
Really?
No, I don't know. We're gonna redo the potassium iodide. See if we get something different here. Oh. There we go. Got a good amount.
Okay.
I mean, it's just like that light blue kind of same thing we got the first time. What'd you say?
Got white.
Yeah,
There's
light.
white.
Right. Next up is 105 unknown. Kind of a green color going into it. Let's see what we get. Okay, that's a refined powder.
Oh, that's
It's green.
Yeah.
But lithium is what you, yeah, you're right. But the green is from the copper.
I gotcha.
Oh.
Ooh. That's what it did though too.
Next one is unknown 106. All right. Starting out as like a white powder, so it could be anything. All right, gonna come out here, and we're in there. Oh, I feel like I can already tell. It's like that white again.
Yeah.
Because you can barely see it.
There it goes a little bit.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, like white. Unknown 107. Let's see what we get. Firework time. Oh. Ooh.
Ooh, there it is.
Yeah, it's that red one.
Mm-hmm.
Calcium
Ah.
is this one. All right, let's close this baby down. Boom. Don't touch that. It's hot.
What is Adam?
All right, now for this last part of the experiment, I put unknown 105, unknown 107, unknown 106, and unknown 107. And now I'm gonna put distilled water in there and then do what we did back in the first part, which was add silver nitrate and hydrochloric acid and see what the anion or the negative aspect of these chemicals are by using these as like a reference. So yeah. All right, so now that's in there. I'm gonna take our silver nitrates. Just gonna drop one drop in here. Let's see what happens. Boom. All right, not much is going on. Not much is going on. For a while, I'm gonna add 2 drops of hydrochloric acid. Let's see what happens. All right, looks like we got some bubbles in there. Very cool. So that means the gas is forming. Silver nitrate going into 106. Bam. So I think some bubbles are in there. Okay, kind of turned white. All right. Boom. Boom. Oof. All right, not much going on, I'm gonna say. Not much is happening. Only 108, going to get some silver nitrate action. Bam. Oh yeah, major bubblage. And finish it all up with 2 drops of hydrochloric acid. 1, 2. Alright, so I'm almost done. I plugged in all my data into the hands-on learning website, which is basically everything I just wrote down on my notebook. And now I have to take a final evaluation to make sure I understand everything that just happened. Which I do, I believe, so I should do fine. But I've been going now for 3 hours and just getting burnt out. So I'm gonna finish this up, submit it, and that's the first lab done of this 5-week course. So, oh yeah, here we go. It's gonna be a journey, man, but it's gonna be good. See ya.